Let's build this custom high-end PC. This customer wanted some of the top-of-the-line performance to run 6 monitors all at once whilst trading and running back tests. Now, I'm not familiar with trading, but I am familiar with PCs, so we started in the Ryzen 9 9950X as it's one of the best CPUs for productivity. We paired it with 64GB of DDR5 RAM, which was by far the most expensive part of this build. And for storage, the customer requested 2 separate 1TB NVMe drives, which were all slotted into the ASRock X870 Phantom Gaming Nova, all of which was housed in the Fractal Design North. And to cool the CPU, we used the Thermalright Aqualee V3 AIO and replaced all the fans with these nice ones from Arctic. For the graphics card, we slotted in the Zotac RTX 5070 12GB, which finishes off this beast PC ready for the customer to come and collect it. And if you're in the market for a gaming PC, on April 22nd we are launching something incredible with some of the best price to performance you've seen in 2026, so make sure to drop a follow.